Hello guys, today we are going to do an unboxing of Logitech X50 wireless speakers. Now these are Bluetooth speakers, as you can see here the Bluetooth logo, and these are quite popular speakers and quite good quality speakers. So let's start off what's on the box. I've already opened the box. So it's a wireless speaker. It connects wirelessly to your mobile or any Bluetooth device with Bluetooth. It's having a rechargeable battery. Like the battery backup is of 5 hours. Then it's having an auxiliary port to connect your phone via auxiliary. Means if you are not having any Bluetooth device, any Bluetooth connectivity with your device, then you can use your auxiliary port, and you can even connect your Logitech X50 to multiple devices. So that's it. The MRP written on the box is 2495. But as you know, the deals are going on right now. The festival sale is on. So the Amazon is selling this thing on for 1229 rupees or something. I will be posting the screenshot on the screen so you can check them. And even the links will be in the description. Let's just quickly open the box. So here is the micro USB cable to charge your Logitech X50. Let's just keep that aside. Then some documentation guide. Here it shows how to turn on the speaker. You just have to press it for 3 seconds and it will be turned on. So you will be able to connect it to your mobile for any Bluetooth device. And some more instruction manuals. So let's just take it out. Let me keep that aside. And here is the speaker. So I'm having the same color mouse also, Bluetooth mouse. I have already done an unboxing of that. So it's an old model, means it's there in market for quite long time, but still it's going on. It's the best ever speaker I've had. So here are the buttons. This is the volume up button, power button, and volume down button. 3.5 mm jack for audio input and micro USB port for charging your device. Now here they are having a hanging, means you can hang it to your belt or anything like that, and the front grill. Now without discussing much, means there is a even better version than this, the X100. That's quite costlier than this, like 500 or 600 rupees more than this, but that is also a good speaker. But if you want to buy a speaker in the budget of 1200 rupees, then go for this. And if you want to buy a speaker in the budget for 2000 or 2500 rupees, then go for MI Bluetooth speaker, because they're having a good bass in that, and even they are having microphone in this. In Logitech X50 they are not it's not having a microphone, so you cannot pick up the phones or talk on the phones while on the go. So let us connect my tablet to it and let me show you how it sounds. So this is the full volume. So we will start from the bottom of the volume and we will go to the higher range, maximum range, and it will do ting 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 at the highest peak. So this is what the low sound sounds. Okay, so that was the sound test of this speaker. Now you can see the small LED light on this. It will show you if it's blue and constantly means if it's on, then it's connected to some of your Bluetooth device, and if it's blinking, then it's trying to connect with, means it's finding some Bluetooth device to get connected. This will even show you the battery, like if it's red then it will be low battery, and in charging it will be like purple or something. I forgot that because I haven't charged it from long time. It keeps on working, good battery backup. So on the final hand, I will say that this is a very good speaker. Now if you want to buy a wireless speaker and your budget is 1200 rupees, 1200 to 1300 rupees, then go for this right now, because till 5th of October, right, 5th of October, we are having a sale on this. Not me, Amazon is having sale on this. Like it's available for 1239 or something rupees. I will be posting the links in the description. Please check the links out. And it's a quite very good Bluetooth speaker. So quite sturdy quality. If even if it's false, then it doesn't nothing happens to it. So that's it. The sound is also very good. Now if you will play some Bollywood songs or something like that, Hollywood songs or something, then you will be quite happy with the performance. So that was the quick unboxing and a test video of Logitech X50. I hope you like my videos, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.